I'm Jan. I'm going to show you how to find your way around your course. So it's all very easy. First of all, let's go up and let's see where our unit homepage is. This is where you'll start. And I've got a little bit smaller than what it would be on most computers because I want it to fit into this video screen. You'll notice the little pink dot and you will be welcomed onto the welcome wall by telling us who you are and a little bit about you. So follow what I've got in the pink sticky note there. So there's other information on the unit homepage such as your reading list and a glossary of terms which when you click on there will take you alphabetically through all sorts of terms we use in this course. So make yourself familiar with your readings and the glossary before you come to class by week 4 because that's when we start to construct knowledge. All of the earlier weeks are lead up. So here's the contents. This is an important part of the navigation bar above. First you'll go to Unit Overview and you will see a little bit of information and then your unit outline and structure. In here you'll find a week by week breakdown of what's going on. Very important document, so look out for it. Introduction, you'll see that we have a welcome to country. This getting started video is in here and a quick survey about you to complete and an introduction to learning to find out what's inside your course. What are your learning goals and outcomes to be expected? So we'll go to Module 1, have a quick look. Here are your first 3 topics. This is all about access and motivation, helping you find your way around, like I'm doing now, but a little bit more. Week 2 is about how we're communicating in the course and getting to know each other. Week 3, we start sharing information, and what we're going to do is share information about our goals, and we're going to unpack those in different contexts as counsellors would be counsellors in this course. So back to content, and we'll look at Module 2, and this is where we have week 4, our first knowledge construction week. There are 6 weeks of this very intense part of your course, but it's going to be fun. And here are all the activities. They're varied. You'll read, you'll do, you'll have a display or someone will demonstrate something, and then you will post information about your findings on the discussion forums and so on. It's all laid out for you. There's a Zoom meeting on that week you have to be prepared for, and there's a PowerPoint and so on, and a quiz and a Kahoot quiz, which is fun and colourful. Same quiz, but just very good fun. You can do it on your phone, and up here in assessment you'll find the quiz referred to with a link below. You'll also find your assignments for this course that come later, so that's where they are to be found. And you'll find the rubric here also. So let's have a look, and the rubric tells you what to expect for your marking and what to aim for. So back to content, let's have a look and see. Also in Module 2, Week 7's been developed. More weeks will be developed as we go. Can't do them all at once, so look out for those. There'll be announcements on the unit homepage about what's going on. To keep you in the loop, you can always email if you're not sure. This gives you an idea of what's going on. Here's a drag and drop test for you to do, and it mentions the discussion. There's another test you can do there. So there's a bit of variety to activities in week 7 as well. So let's go back, have a look at what's happening in the latter module. At this stage, the assessments are ready. So you can have a look at this and see what's going on. And here's the observation checklist you're going to use when you're evaluating peers as counsellors. And here's a little snapshot, a little bit of your portfolio of evidence you've got to put together. So it's all there if you want to go and start getting your head around it. So what we might do now is just go back to content and see if there's anything else I can bring to your attention. There's information about PebblePad where you will be uploading your portfolio at the end of the course. So that's it. That shows you how these navigation buttons work. Up here, you'll see announcements and discussion boards. So just to get a bit of an idea, your discussions start in week 2. So this is where they'll start, and you'll reply. There's instructions on how to use the discussions, but click on it and you can start a new thread or reply to it. So that's it for me for now, and email me if you have any further questions. Thanks for watching.